Hi, I am taking a week off. I will be back on February 11th, Sunday at 11 a.m. back to the regular schedule. I now am actually trying to figure out the analytics of the episode, what has worked, where can I do better, and what can I do, and what were the episodes that like outshined the every other episode, and then maybe tweak around that because पहले जब मैं एक ही एपिसोड करती थी हफ्ते का तब it had a very good listenership, and so maybe I might stick to that. And if you have a certain topic you want me to talk about or cover on, this is like just me sharing my personal stories and experiences. And if you have specific thing for me to talk about, let me know, hit me up on Instagram. Let's start today's episode. पहले तो हाय हेलो, मेरा नाम है अदिति, आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज़ January Unhinged, a month where I will be uploading new episode every single day at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. अब ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी बिकॉज ये लास्ट एपिसोड है जनवरी का 31st का, एंड इसके बाद अब हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक ही बार आएगा एपिसोड, दैट इज़ ऑन संडे. ऑलराइट, या आज मैं थोड़ा सा आई विल try and play catch up because a lot of these episodes have been pre-scripted, नहीं बोलूँगी, but like I started planning these episodes around in mid-December. तो I'm just trying to play catch up कि क्या क्या हो गया है इतने महीने में, पूरा जनवरी में, and let's just talk, I guess. Yeah, right now literally we are at the stage where हर नए दिन कोई नई जानलेवा बीमारी आ रही है. अभी तो बॉम्बे में ना एक गंदा सा वायरल फ्लू चल रहा है, लिटरली गंदा वायरल फ्लू, वेयर यू कीप कफिंग, ड्राई कफ, बुखार, सर्दी, पूरा चेस्ट कफ से भर गया है, एंड इट्स जस्ट एवरीवेयर एंड एवरी अदर पर्सन आई नो इज कफिंग और जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू द सेम. दिस जानलेवा बीमारी दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, I feel it is bound to eventually happen. I'm not trying to be negative or have a negative pessimistic outlook to this life, but the reality is this कि हमारा population बढ़ गया है. population बढ़ गया है तो pollution side by side चल ही रहा है, and our chances of survival are starting to feel like a scary number, declining on the decline. Like 2023 was recorded to be the hottest year ever according to NOAA, that is National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. I think followed by second hottest was I think 2016. 2023 was recorded highest. Can you believe that? अभी मतलब अभी ना आज के टाइम पे अपने को समझेगा नहीं, but on a grander bigger scale this is scary, really scary. एंड ये पढ़ा नहीं, ये जाना नहीं कि आई ऑल्सो केम अक्रॉस मार्क जैकरबर्ग मेकिंग एन अंडरग्राउंड डंजन टनल बंकर, बेसिकली कुछ ओवर $100 million का उसने इन्वेस्ट किया है, शायद हवाई में ये प्रोजेक्ट है, आई डोंट नो. He made this secret bunker and it got sort of out everywhere in the news, and it is giving like पूरा वो District 13 वाला vibe from Hunger Games. Maybe he does know some information or सब कुछ होगा उसके पास insider information that a common person like you and me might not even know, which is scary, which is genuinely scary when I come across such articles and I'm like shit, maybe he does have some information and that we don't know. Of course, you know, as we hit the first week of January, I also came across this. There was a virus that recently I heard of. It is called zombie virus, literally. I think it's TV show भी है एक इस पे zombie पे, but this zombie virus is very real. It is 50,000 year old virus found in Siberia. It is coming up out of the blue. It is coming up just because temperature बढ़ रहा है. ऑलरेडी इसके केसेस आ चुके हैं, यूएस में है, कनाडा में है, साउथ कोरिया में. जस्ट look it up, zombie virus. It is scary. I don't know, like I just hope it does not spread or go viral, but like also temperature, pollution, and indirectly because of rise in population and forever growing need of consumption. There's so many factors contributing to this. Like, sorry, I mean, this got really dark really early on. The entire news section for forever has put me down the slump, and that is why I've stopped consuming news and any form of news on any social media or just newspaper in general, because it just hurts. Like, अगर आप दिन चालू करोगे ना न्यूज़ पढ़ के, तो आप इतने मतलब डाउन द डंप सैड हो जाओगे कि आई ट्राई नॉट टू रीड इट. इट्स जस्ट, इट मेक्स मी क्राई, इट मेक्स मी एंग्री, इट मेक्स मी मैड. सो वो टेम्परेचर राइज हो गया तो बेसिकली आइस मेल्ट हो गया साइबेरिया में, और वो आइस में मिलता है ये वायरस. वो पानी में था, कुछ ऐसा कुछ तो भी था. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द राइज इन टेम्परेचर ये वायरस आया है पानी में से कहीं से. सो ऑफकोर्स गूगल इट, मेक श्योर यू लुक इट अप. मैंने तो यही पढ़ा है, अनलेस इट्स समथिंग एल्स देन माई अपॉलॉजीज, बट मैंने यही पढ़ा है. एनीवेज, सो नाउ फॉर द टू ऑफ यू who are still confused about life after college, yes, back to reality. You're like, oh my god, कहाँ से कहाँ आ रहा है टॉपिक की. But like for those two of you who are confused about life after college, I want you to pick up something that excites you, because literally कल हो ना हो, YOLO. If working in corporate does not make you happy, you might as well be wasting your next 30 to 60% of your life. 60 भी नहीं, probably 80% of your life आपका waste हो जाएगा if you don't end up really liking what you do. Maybe this is where the concept of ikigai has come, and maybe you should look into that. That might be the answer after all. But shit is bad yaar, shit is bad. Like literally YOLO हो रहा है. Moving on, we were talking about mammals and animal, and let's talk about this toxic monstrosity called Animal the movie, जो लॉन्च हुई थी इंडिया में. एंड कहाँ से चालू करूँ? Animal was a movie that came out and I didn't watch it. Duh, I mean, this is but obvious. And if I would have chosen to watch it, it would only be because of Lord Bobby and nobody else. Like I literally 2024 चल रहा है. I do not have the patience to sit down and watch 3-3.5 घंटे की मूवी. अगर वही मूवी कोई फॉरेन में 2 घंटे में 1.5 घंटे में अगर रैप कर सकता है, तो आप 3.5 घंटे में ऐसा क्या ही बता रहे हो? अनलेस ऑफकोर्स आप क्रिस्टोफर नोलान हो एंड आपके पास न्यू इनोवेटिव वे है कुछ शूट करने का, फिल्म करने का, एंड बेटर सिनेमाटोग्राफी है बताने के लिए जो कॉमन पब्लिक को वैसे भी नहीं समझेगा. सो देन इट मेक्स सेंस 3-3.5 घंटे का. बट दिस मेक्स नो फकिंग सेंस एट ऑल. And to be very honest, Lord Bobby is the only reason, as I said, but he was not enough for me to actually go out there and buy the ticket. I knew how violent it was. Just मैं trailer देखा ना, उसमें I saw enough of Bobby कि I was satisfied. Okay, this is enough. I don't have to go fucking purchase the ticket and like get disappointed. My friend was like, I want to watch it. I was like, you know what bro, you're gonna regret watching. I just feel it कि वो ट्रेलर देख के ही लगा कि बहुत वायलेंट होगा. एंड द मिनट माई फ्रेंड सॉ द मूवी एंड शी कॉल्ड मी अप एंड शी वाज लाइक, अदिति, द मूवी इज सो फकिंग वायलेंट, प्लीज डू नॉट गो वॉच इट, यू वुड हेट इट, यू वुड एंड अप प्यूकिंग आउट. एंड आई एम लाइक, थैंक गॉड आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, आई टोल्ड यू सो. क्यों गई तू देखने, क्यों पैसा वेस्ट किया? हाउ द फक डिड दिस मूवी मेक सो मच मनी इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क टू मी. वाई इज अ टॉक्सिक चॉविनिस्ट मेन प्लॉट story taking off in India? The storyline was so fucked up. Is there like is this where we sound alarm, raise the red flag and call it all? Do we need to call all the mental health care people ki what is happening, what is up, who the fuck are the people who are buying the ticket? Do they need therapy? Do we need to call the mental health care people? What the fuck is happening? And then of course there was Archie's. The movie was released on Netflix despite tying up with so many brands. Starbucks, Maybelline, Flipkart, Boat, VIP bags, Vistara. Even they had tied up with like Bombay Sweet Shop. Like the movie was bad. The movie was bad. Not, I mean, they tried to copy the Barbie wala marketing strategy, but I don't think even that would help them get out of this mess. Sorry, it was just bad. We all knew it from the beginning that it was going to be a flop. And so was one of the other movies, like by Shah Rukh. Like, I'm sorry, I know there are a lot of Shah Rukh. I'm a Shah Rukh fan, but the movie was bad. The movie was bad. And the thing is, what I have realized is let's talk about Animal, because I feel like when you portray so much toxicity, we are sort of glorifying and saying ki, hey, it's okay to do this, and that is not okay. When you show so much toxicity on the screen, somewhere are we telling and are we glorifying ki this is okay to do? Are we putting out a message out there कि भाई okay, कि भाई इसने तो ऐसा किया तो मैं भी ऐसा कर सकता हूँ? हम validate कर रहे हैं क्या? Like ऐसी movies exist होनी भी नहीं चाहिए कि like it just putting just bad shit out there. Yeah, so what I have concluded is that कि हम as a nation, India is like with population of 1.4 billion people. ठीक है? Even if we decide, only probably like 30 to 40% decides कि चलो पिक्चर आई है, चलते हैं, देखते हैं. ठीक है? तो 1.4 है, 14 है, तो 0.07% public, 50% public, 0.7 billion people decide to go watch the movie. Just out of curiosity कि भाई अरे ट्रेलर अच्छा दिख रहा है, कुछ तो होगा, मज़ा आएगा, चलो चलते हैं. They pay the 1,000 rupees ticket just out of curiosity. अब क्यूरियोसिटी में ही पिक्चर हिट हो जाती है. लाइक हमारा पॉपुलेशन ही इतना है कि अगर हम एक बार भी अगर मूवी चेक करने चले जाए ना तो पिक्चर हिट हो जाए, क्योंकि हमारा पॉपुलेशन इतना है. पीरियड. लाइक देयर इज नो लॉजिक बिहाइंड दिस. Someone has to say this out loud. Somebody has to say that. It's a valid point where even when a movie critic can be bought out, and these movie critics are rating a movie like Animal a 4 or a 5 star, you really have to think कि कौन बायस है और कौन सच बोल रहा है, कौन किस पे भरोसा करना. लाइक हमारा पॉपुलेशन ही इतना है कि कोई भी पिक्चर हिट हो जाती है. We're not even talking about going to the theater twice and second time watching it. We're talking about just watching it one time and it becoming a hit. That's not even called a hit. Is it called a hit? I don't know. Indian film industry has sort of become, a nepo baby producing machine. It is extremely, extremely rare to see an outsider flourish. Maybe that's why Priyanka Chopra officially left the industry, because she knew somewhere that was nepotism was very real. Personal preferences were very real. And I think she even mentioned this briefly in her autobiography. Maybe I do need to read that up before I say anything. But damn, like it's just हमारा पॉपुलेशन ही इतना है, कुछ भी देखो हिट ही हो जाना है. वो लाइक आई डोंट नो नाउ what really actually is considered a hit and a flop. Anyways, in other news, we have, I believe, a very weird fascination with foreigners visiting India, also applicable to people like Indians who moved abroad and they decided to come back or visit back. People have a weird fascination with Americans and Gore people. I don't know. Suddenly, that दूर की चाची will call you Rani Beti, Raja Beta, and ask you for shit and like iPhone and stuff like that, and like weird shit start happening to you. And वो यही आंटी होगी जो आपके पीठ पीछे पहले बहुत बात कर रही है, and suddenly she falls in love with you just because you've gone all the way to America and you're doing some shit for yourself. Anyways, Dua Lipa was in the news briefly because she was visiting Rajasthan. Probably, I think it was because she was associated with Princess Diya Kumari Foundation. I think it was non-profit work for her, and she was there, and maybe the wedding, and that's why she was living at the palace hosted by the foundation itself. So it was a well paid trip, I guess. वो तो उसकी पूरी फैमिली के साथ आई थी, I believe. Just right after that, I also saw supermodel Carly Kloss was also seen attending a wedding, and she was in sari by Anita Dongre, and like it was just, everybody was like super hyping up and like, arey itni badi singer songwriter, she's here, and like everybody, the memes around her were unreal, unreal, मतलब हंस के मैं पागल हो गई, ऐसे memes बन चुके हैं. Anyways, the other day क्या हो रहा है, मेरी तबीयत अभी भी ख़राब है, by the way. Like I went to the doctors. Thanks for asking, by the way. I know I can't hear you, but maybe you can, and I try to have a positive mindset कि you are concerned about my health, so I'll say this. I went to the doctors. I was on heavy medication and I'm still not okay, and he gave me more medication, so now I'm just gonna eat the meds and just fall asleep, and that's that for the next 3 days. So this is the last episode, and then come back to square zero and figure out kya karna hai next week for the episode. Anyways, let's keep going. Golden Globes happened. It came, it went. Literally zero difference did it make in my life. So did Emmys, and now Oscars. Funny how they completely missed the point by nominating so ऑस्कर इज समथिंग दैट आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, इसीलिए आई गिव अ फक कि भाई क्या हो रहा है. बट वो भी अभी उसके कुछ चांद सितारे कुछ अच्छे नहीं लग रहे ऑस्कर के, एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से बोल रही हूँ, सॉरी, कि भाई उनका भी कुछ अभी ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को, कि बिकॉज दे नॉमिनेटेड from the movie Barbie, they nominated Ken, and they did not nominate Barbie for the Oscar. Basically, the actors Ryan Gosling and Margaret, that's her name. So they nominated Ken and not Barbie. And now it's so funny, they completely missed the point of the movie Barbie, and everybody was talking about it, and it was just hilarious. People don't understand, it's just funny. And now, anyways, that happened, but like now fashion show has started all across the globe, that they are usually like 1 or 2 seasons ahead. So maybe we are looking at autumn. अभी क्या चल रहा है, जनवरी चल रहा है ना, तो स्प्रिंग समर नेक्स्ट सीजन है, तो वो नहीं करते वो लोग, ऑटम विंटर का चालू करते हैं. राहुल मिश्रा, ओ माय गॉड, सो दे आर इनक्रेडिबल फॉरेन डिज़ाइनर्स, कैपरेली से लेके शनेल से लेके, एवरीबडी इज आउट देयर मेकिंग शिट हैपन. एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीबडी. बट मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि there are very far and few Indian designers who are actually killing it, and we don't support them, we don't know them, we are not even recognizing them on the global scale that they have reached. मतलब जितना उनको recognition मिलना चाहिए उतना नहीं मिल रहा है, and it fucking sucks to know this. Rahul Mishra, he killed it, man. Like he killed it. He's like that one Indian name in the global household people know and talk about, but not enough. Everybody needs to know that. Him, Gaurav Gupta, like they're like killing it. My God, we should be supporting them. Like मुझे ऐसा लगता है हम इंडियंस बहुत सारे डिज़ाइनर्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं, लाइक फ्रेंच बहुत सारे फ्रेंच ब्रांड्स हैं, बट जितना अगर हम उतना सपोर्ट इंडियंस को करते तो शायद वो अलग ही लेवल पे होते आज. आई मीन फ्रेंच आर्ट एंड हिस्ट्री के बारे में बहुत बात होती है, एंड दे आर नोन फॉर देयर कलाकारी वर्क एंड ऑल दैट, बट हमारा एंसेस्ट्रियल बैकग्राउंड, हमारा हिस्ट्री ज़्यादा बिगर है, लॉन्ग रूटेड है, एंड एंशंट, फार मोर एंशंट देन देयर्स. मुझे ऐसा लगता है वी हैव फार मोर टैलेंटेड आर्टिजन्स एंड फार मोर टैलेंटेड वॉइसेस. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है वी शुड बी picking up our own people and talking more about them and get going with that. Yeah, जितना recognition मिलना चाहिए उतना नहीं मिल रहा, and it just hurts me. Just that's that. हाँ, और दूसरा एक चीज़ और, आई गेस ये हम बात कर, मेरे को इंटरेस्ट है, सो मैं मार्केटिंग स्टूडेंट थी, हूँ, रहूँगी, आई डोंट नो, बट आई एम ऑलवेज क्यूरियस अबाउट इफ देयर आर एनी कैंपेन that go absolutely viral for no reason. Okay, and just I love to look at like fresh, innovative, और आप किस तरह से कोई आइडिया कैसे प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. Like there is already so much noise in the market, but how you do it and why does it go viral, and then you see it and then you're like, oh my god, this is brilliant. Like that, I wait for those moments to happen, and so this was one of that. So this ad campaign was so it went viral absolutely, and then also Golden Globes के time ही हुआ था. So this ad campaign was by Calvin Klein with featuring Jeremy Allen White. He plays the chef from the super hit TV show called The Bear. If you've not seen it, please go watch it. But this ad was like an absolute average chaddi ad for their brand Calvin, and Calvin की सभी ad एक जैसी दिखती है, sort of they are trying to sell the underwear. So now the real question was, why? What happened? Why this specific ad with Jeremy in it went viral? What made it so popular that everybody was talking about it? So of course I find it interesting to see how virality works and what people are talking about. If you've not seen the ad, just go watch the ad. I think that'll give you a better perspective. Here's what I think happened. It was because, number one, the ad was posted just 2 days before the Golden Globes. That is pretty big deal for the people in the US. And number two, Jeremy. I'm a fan of Jeremy since Shameless came out. If you don't know Shameless, I think you're missing out. 8 seasons of Shameless are out. He's done an incredible work even in that, but The Bear was great. Second reason I find it going viral was because Jeremy himself won Best Actor award for his work in The Bear, and so now people at the Golden Globes kept interviewing the star cast. Have you seen this ad? Have you seen this ad? आपको क्या लगता है? आपको पता था जेरेमी ये ऐसी ad करने वाला है? And they kept asking, and मतलब उसका सामने से publicity हो रहा था. बेसिकली वो बंदे का सामने से ही पब्लिसिटी हो रहा था कि देखा है, आप क्या सोचते हो, आप क्या सोचते हो. लाइक एवरीबडी देन स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, व्हिच वाज, आई फाउंड इट फनी. Yeah, is there any other campaign that you found that went absolute viral and you were fascinated, or like, I'm not even aware about it, let me know, I want to check it out. Yeah, then there was also ये मालदीव्स अंडमान लक्षद्वीप वो वाला इंसिडेंट हुआ था. वहाँ क्यों जा रहे हो, यहाँ पे जाओ. You know, I feel bad, I feel sad and good both at the same time. Good because it's now everybody's on the map. Like I keep telling कि there are so many incredible islands in India itself that we must check these out, but we don't. We prefer to go to Maldives, and I feel also sad because now everybody is aware about it, and now सब वो commercialize हो जाएगा and infrastructure आ जाएगा, new roads, more pollution. Taj hotels have already made it out there, and like I just have a feeling it might actually ruin the natural flora and fauna of it all. I'm like, shit, like ab like it's good to go before all that shit happens and it gets too commercialized. Yeah, anyways, all right, you don't even know the amount of breaks I had to take just to get this 23 minute episode out. I am genuinely struggling. I have a bad cough, but yeah, I guess that is it. I'm gonna stop. I'm absolutely grateful. Thank you for the 10 of you who tune in to every single episode of mine for January Unhinged. Again, as I said, I will be back in the second week. That's February 11, Sunday at 11 a.m. Hopefully my voice is better and things work out all in my favor. So that's it. I appreciate all the support. I hope it was entertaining, and I love you guys. I love spending time with you guys. I'll see you then. All right, bye.